This video is about how to use your reconditioned Heimsyphon from around about the 1960s. So what you do first is you fill it up using about a litre of water. Yeah, until it overflows a bit. Knock the excess out. Check to see that the neck tube, neck sleeve is flush with the top of the body. Okay, so that's fine. And you'll probably need a reconditioned dip tube, well, a new dip tube. In order to fit these Heimsyphons, you need one that's an appropriate thickness. That's quite thick. That just goes in there like that. And then you put the head on, like so. Now, taking hold of the spout here, tighten, turn the body and tighten it up quite strongly, and that squishes next here. Okay, so what we've done is we've replaced the rubber seal in there and the carbon dioxide punch pin with the new one. We've also had a look at the seals inside and replaced those as necessary, and then reassembled it. There we are, nicely tightened up, so that's ready to go. Now you can see the brand of carbon dioxide capsules that I use, List brand. Never had any problems with these before. Readily available, not too expensive, so that's the ones I like. So we get a carbon dioxide capsule like that. Make sure that the neck is nice and shiny. Put it into the capsule holder, like so, and put it on the thing, on the inlet, like so. Screw it down. Shouldn't see any resistance until you start to feel a slight bit of resistance as you hit the seal. So now take hold of the body of the siphon, gently screw it down until you start to hear gas being injected into the siphon. Now turn it over like that. Whilst the gas is going in. Now, what you may see is in there, as the carbon dioxide gas goes into the body of the siphon, this sometimes gets frost on it. Slightly there. You can see certainly there's a lot of condensation forming on the metal. Sometimes you get frost. Right. Yeah, you can just about see a bit of frost forming on the metal there. Okay. So that's pretty much finished. So then we undo that. for that. So you can see there, carbon dioxide capsule has been punctured. That capsule we now just throw away. Now, what you should see in there is if it's working properly, no signs of any water or anything like that in the end of the fixture. Now, so we've got water in here now. It's been charged with gas. Right. So now what we can do is we can get a glass. Right, so we've got a glass now. Here we go. And whoops. Right. So what you've got there is some nice, rather gassy water. Okay. Now, it would have been much better if we'd had chance to actually chill the water in the fridge before we did that, before we actually dispensed it, but that's for the purposes of this demonstration. That's what we've got. Now, what you can see is there's just a little bit of dripping here. That should stop. That's due to the fact that there's a bit of water stuck in the spout, and it just dribbles out afterwards. That's the end of this video, and this is brought to you by AcquaSpumante.co.uk. Thanks for your attention.